Hi friends, so I wanted to give you an update on what's going on with my downsize this week. I took about 12 bags of my clothing over to the little plaza we have here that's got Plato's Closet, Style Encore, and Once Upon a Child. It's 12 huge garbage bags full of my clothes. And I think I got a total of like around maybe just over $200 for everything, which is better than nothing. Not great. They only took about two of their bins, which is about the size of a regular 22-gallon tote of my clothing. But $200 is $200. I'm not complaining. I'm good with that. And then last night, I took what was left, even though it pained me to do so because of the amount of bags that I had to hang on to and keep in my car for the last few days. I took them over to my girlfriend's house where she had a little girls get together in her new place. And we brought all the bags up and we dumped them out. There were 5 of us, 4 of them went through all my clothes and had like this frenzy of clothes flying everywhere and laughing, and they were so excited. I loved watching them be so thrilled and so excited. They kept saying it was like Christmas. It was wonderful to watch. And I have to tell you, I got more joy out of watching them go through those clothes than I have had from the actual clothes hanging in my closet for the longest time. And so I wanted to update you about that because I thought, this is something that's helpful for people to know that are having trouble parting with their belongings. That again, like the joy I got from watching them go through it and have such a great time, and it was like Christmas for them. Like I got so much joy from that. I can't even tell you how good that felt, and just I'm so thrilled. So keep that in mind if you are downsizing like I am and are having trouble parting with your things, because it was just the coolest thing ever. So right now, if you can see in the back of my car here, this is what's left over. Is still so much. I'm going to take all that stuff, all the bedding and all the leftover clothes over to donate them today. This weekend, we are hoping to do our punch list of things. Like we have to, go through the house with magic eraser sponge and touch up the paint in places and just make it sure that it's pretty and shiny before we put it on the market. We are doing a for sale by owner on our house. That is what's happening right now, and I will keep you posted, and I'll do a little home tour at the end of this weekend when hopefully I get all of the stuff cleared out of here, because that's what's going to happen first. As soon as all the stuff's cleared out and I'm satisfied with empty closets and stuff like that, then it's punch list and I'll give you a tour. Thank you so much for tuning in, for watching as I go through this crazy downsizing process. I really, really appreciate your support. So if you would please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the new posts, that would really help me out. Also, if you're into DIY projects, please don't forget to check out my other channel at Decor Sauce. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll meet back here very, very soon.